Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning about the shortcut trick to find the ratio and proportion questions, which is very helpful for the entrance point of view and the competitive exams. So this, how are you going to do this? You are not going to take the LCM way, which most of the students will usually do it. You will avoid that and you can solve this question within minutes, even less than a minute also. What do you have to do? Is just check what is given to you. It is A is to B, 2 is to 3, B is to C, and we need to work out and find the ratio of A is to B is to C. I'll call this technique as RL technique, which is right side and the left side technique. You will write your required A, B, C in a row wise, and the same thing you're going to write your ratio what is given to you just below to this one. Like for instance, A is to B is given as 2 is to 3. Write respective numbers which is given in the ratio in a row below to the alphabet. Similarly, B is to C, write 4 and 3. Okay, 4 and 3. Now what are you going to do? You are going to apply this RL to work out A is to B is to C ratio together. So just check what is on your right side which is missing for C. What is the right most number that you have for your first row, that is 3. So write in its place the same number. Similarly, when you come to the second row, I mean horizontal, if you look at it, check what do you have to the extreme most number 4. So it means that number only you're going to place it over here. And then you just need to follow the multiplication in the column wise, vertical. Okay, 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 3, 9. Isn't it simple? That is what you're going to do. Now, after getting this one, you need to just look and check whether all these three numbers are going or divisible in a particular number. So if they are not, it means that itself would be your answer for the ratio which is asked, ABC. It's very simple, students. You can do it. Now, I have shown you with the ratio for A is to B, B is to C, so that we find A, B, C. Can we extend it for the another ratio? Yes, we can extend it to find out, in fact, A is to B is to C. Let us write another ratio, C is to D, and I'm taking this time as 2 is to 3. I need to work out, remember, A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. So same thing, I will just add up one alphabet D, what is given to me in the question. Now we will just look at the missing sequence that follows. Okay, now I will look at it. First thing is, what will I look at it? I will look at the ratio what is given to me, 2 is to 3. I will fill it up, 2 3. Accordingly, when AB is there, BC 4 is to 3, so come to the B and C, and then C is to D, it is 2 and 3. Now what I'm going to do, I'll follow the RL technique, right hand and left hand, which is missing. So on the first horizontal line, 3 is the extreme number that I have it. It means I need to fill the other two gaps with 3. Similarly, 3 is the right most, so I need to fill this with the same 3. Now coming back to the left side of this horizontal line, 4 is the extreme left, same number have to be put up. What about 2? Same thing should go in the two missing places. Yeah, isn't it? After filling this one, the only step what you're going to follow is just multiplication. 2 times 4, 4 times 2, 16. 3 times 4, 4 times 2, that is 12, 12 2 is 24. 3 times 3, 9 2 is 18. And this is going to be 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Yes, this is very simple trick. Now you will check whether all of these are going in one particular table. No, they aren't. So we'll write the same ratio sign between all these number. That itself your answer for A time A is to B is to C is to D. Yes, isn't it very simple, student? That is how you're going to work. Now let us take some more cases to corroborate our answer and to make you understand the concept clear about the trick that we are applying. We will change these numbers, okay, and let us see. I'm changing it now with different numbers. Let it be 1 is to 2, This time B is to C, let us take it as 3 is to 4. C is to D, let it be 2 is to 3. Now let us see. Write as usual 3 and 4 accordingly below to that. C is to D, write C in place of C and in place of D3. Now fill up the gaps that we have. Extreme right is 2, fill with the same number. Right side 4, fill it up. 2 is there, so write 2 and 2. 3 is there, so write 3. Yes, see, you can do that within seconds. Just multiply 6, 6 2s are 12, 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Now they all go in one particular table, cancel out, simplify. 2 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Now further is divisible? No, they aren't. So it means that itself is your ratio for A is to B is to C is to D. And that's it, students. You can easily work out now for any competitive exam whenever they ask the ratio questions. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and enjoy.